Hello everyone. I was watching a video of Cesar Millan, or Cesar Millan as they like to say in English. He likes to say it that way. About how humans are very different from dogs in the sense that dogs don't are present. They don't think about the past or the future. A dog that just beat somebody is no longer that dog. Is just and approaching the dog thinking, oh, the dog was evil and you know planned the entire attack is just a projection of our human experience. And in that sense, he mentioned something like we have this thing that we can look in the past and look in the future, and I thought, oh, this is just like we can fast forward and rewind, and when we rewind it's obviously we relive experience, and when we fast forward is we have visions about what could happen. And and I thought that's at the core of creation, to use elements of the past to shape the future. However, what my realization is that how many times I use that engine of rewind and fast forward to re-traumatize myself, to rewind and relive miserable experiences and feel more miserable about it, or fast forward into the future and into projections of my fears of what terrible things could happen. With that one still happens. I have a very live imagination. um, and how it's the same engine of creation, the same, except that when we manage to clear our systems, then we can see, oh, this happened in the past, this thing, oh, this could do this magnificent thing in the future, and we used exactly the same engine. So that's sweet and short.